So we're at the back of the barn doors, and it's openable just from this right side and then from the left. The barn doors are adjustable with this knob. So if you push that in, they will fold out all the way. You've got some storage there for clothes, etc. Storage there for clothes. About a metre of storage. You've got a lockable container that's got a key, and you've got your TV there and other things that you want to put in, such as laptops or passports. And that's lockable with a key, and the key does come out. So we'll put that back there. You've got your winder for the awning, 2 camping chairs, that the cabinets do have that there in order to open it. Another lockable container, a first aid kit. If you do use it, kindly replace that item for the next person. We've got a power adapter. It converts 10 amp to 15 amp. For example, if you are at a house, you can use that to plug in the 15 amp power cord. Here's your 15 amp power cord. If you are at a campsite, you do want to note the larger earth on the extension cord. We've got the living in a bubble fly screens. They just magnetize on the side of the barn doors and sliding door. The fly screen with the zip is for the barn doors, and the fly screen with the magnets in the middle is for the sliding door. This is the hose for your waste. It is used to drain your waste tank, and you will need to turn that into the open position. At the moment, that's in the open position, and if you turn it to your left, that will be closed. That waste is only for your sink. You got a hammer, you got your pegs. In this bucket, you have a hose for filling the water tank, an attachment for the tap, and the hose for putting fresh water in your water tank. It's a stainless steel water tank that holds 80 litres, and your waste tank holds 50 litres. When closing the barn doors, always close the left side first and finish with the right.